We are starting some of our survival seeds and some of our other seeds today. And we are starting our onions, and these are not only the onions that we're going to be using for our survival seeds, but also for our family garden. So we're starting those. We're also doing our celery and carrots, which are not part of the survival seeds, but we're going to be starting those today too. As well as all of the peppers. We're going to be starting those germinating. Including the peppers that we're going to be doing for survival seeds, as well as the peppers we're doing for our family garden, which is many, many peppers. I'm sorry, when I'm holding a stack of stuff, I can't help it. Hey, I'm Trey, and this is Kayla, and we are VC Family Homestead, but you might not have known, we're also Vineyard Chicks. We're part of a band, and we do all sorts of different kinds of music, and we go live every Monday, and you can find out more at Vineyard Chicks if you're interested. But for our onions, we start them directly into soil for starting the onion seeds.
Tray, that means we don't have to go outside.
Yes. So we have our soil in here, and we've already watered the soil, which means we won't have to water it immediately after we put the seeds in. So we're gonna put the onion seeds in the bed, as many onion seeds as we can, because you can never truly have enough onion seeds. You're not gonna do it because the last time you did this, you planted 1 million carrots.
Stop.
But we're gonna do the onion seeds. Onion seeds are tiny, so we have to be careful with this.
They can be as close
There's
or
our
as far
onion
apart
seeds
as you want. I just did this little row here. Just don't let them touch, because then they're just gonna grow in the same place and do the same thing.
Like friends. Onion friends. And then once they're all in there. It's one bag. Once they're all in there.
I was opening one.
You're taking too long. Once all the onion seeds are in there, we're gonna cover them with a little bit of soil, and then we're going to put some weight on them. Now these are primarily northern seeds, so like these plants will do better in northern climates. And so what happens in northern climates is the plants get buried in snow in the winter, and so do the seeds. So what we end up getting is the snow putting weight on the seeds and all the plants under the snow. And this actually seems like it helps them germinate. So we get, no, I have a cut on that hand.
Oh.
So we get better germination rates when we put a little bit of weight on our seeds. So we're gonna put a tray under some bubble wrap on top of the plants. So we have to cover them with dirt first. Oh, haha, you're so funny. So I'm just gonna cover them with a nice little bit of dirt.
I'm surprised you didn't see that coming.
No, I am too, actually.
Like, you should know me.
Like, I've been making the tray joke all day.
All day.
Because we've got these trays out. And so everyone's just been like, okay, put some tray on the dirt. And I'm like, no, I just took a shower. So I should have seen that coming. Okay.
You missed a spot. No, I still see. It's right there.
There.
Good job.
Happy?
More or less.
Now we're going to put the bubble side up so that it's still available for popping. Because who can look at bubble wrap and not pop it? Come on. Then these lids
I can't do it. Goodness. It doesn't work.
That's weird. These lids came with the trays, so we're just gonna, they fit perfectly. You put them there, and then you put like 4 cans of soup, or of course you picked books.
It's right there.
Or a bunch of books. And that'll weigh them down perfectly. Oh my gosh, it fit perfectly! So this pressure will help them germinate, actually.
No, to do it again.
Yes. So that's most of our onions. And then here we're gonna put carrots, and celery, and onions. And we'll do more onions.
Some more onions.
More onions. Who doesn't like onions? So here I have the celery.
Try not to ruin me.
Now I do believe Bunky was challenged once again by
Simply Jan
Homestead to grow the tallest celery.
And she's bringing it this year.
Yeah,
she's
she
already
said
started.
she was very confident in her celery growing skills. So Bunky's
And Bunky
gonna
doesn't even have it planted. You're
Bunky's gonna
planting
have
it for her.
Step it up. Oh gosh, these are tiny.
Like, I'm not condoning bets, but I do want to see like how this year's gonna go. They're tiny, goodness. One of those has to make a decent size celery. At least one.
Okay, that shit. It didn't spill. It didn't spill. I got some dirt on my pants. Okay, here. You find some tape. You guys think she's so serious all the time. You have no idea.
I don't like that you're ignoring me. Like,
okay, then we have
that problem?
carrots. And these aren't just any carrots. These are rainbow carrots. Because
Super serious.
orange carrots are cool, but rainbow carrots are cooler.
They're actually double.
Double?
Yeah, because what seed company did they come from?
They're rainbow seeds. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. Carrot seeds.
This is why it's great doing videos with you, because you do everything and I just get to like talk.
Look at those. Those are cool.
Those are bigger than the
They're all
celery.
different colors. Because it's rainbow seeds.
They're rainbow
carrots.
It doesn't look very rainbow.
But they're all different colors. They're not all the same color.
That's just
Okay, I could do a little more than that.
non-monochromatic seeds.
Okay. I want to put some seeds in your hair and see if they grow.
I'd try yours.
With how much water my hair retains.
Yeah.
And then we fill the rest with onions because
Onions.
we here at VC Family Homestead, we like our onions. Did we ever take the onions out of the
Yeah, we did.
carport?
Yeah.
Okay. Just making sure.
Not on video though, I don't think.
Ooh. We already did onions. What do you mean, ooh? You saw
I don't
it.
know, I just think they're cool.
They are cool.
Goodness,
So you know what I'm
gracious,
worried
Katie,
about?
you missed a bald spot.
I'm not done. You know what I'm worried about? I'm
bald
worried.
spot?
I'm worried that like I've got
This
the
spot.
celery to here, the carrots to here, and then I ended up putting like the onions to here, and there's gonna be a bald spot when they all
It's
come
right
out.
here.
No, I got
There's
that.
one right
See, I
here.
can see them. I can see the onions there. Okay. So then we come back with our buble wrap.
Stop.
You know I just do it, mother. And then the lid. And then the book.
Yeah, I was totally gonna skip that stuff. No.
It didn't fit. We need a thinner book.
This one's not very heavy.
It
also
still doesn't fit. Just to get a thinner one than this one. This one's really thick.
Try this one. We had such good luck the first time.
Ah!
Why'd you do that?
It still doesn't fit. It's thicker.
I thought it was thinner.
No. You know what? This is good.
This one. And this one.
Super pressure.
We
Pressure
tried.
canning. Look, these are canning books. We're pressure canning. So that's our onions.
That's how we pressure can. Now we're growing paper towels.
So we're gonna germinate our pepper seeds, and we use paper towels to germinate the pepper seeds. And I'm gonna overdo the water. Can you do it?
I've never done this in my life.
Yeah, that's why.
I think this should be good, right? Yeah, that's good.
We just so we're growing like 5 different kinds of pepper seeds.
All right, you need the pea peppers.
Yes, the pepperoncini peppers.
Bunky made these Ziploc bags with semi-confusing names. We got pea peppers, we got M peppers, we have J peppers, G peppers, and M2 peppers. So
How many?
that's
of these
what
do
we're
I need to
working
put
with.
in here?
More. Yeah, just go with the whole bag. Today on the Bad Advice with Kayla show.
So that's
You're missing one.
I missed one.
Yeah, like 3.
Oh, they stuck in
You're
the
so
bag.
lonely.
So those are the pepperoncini peppers, which are gonna go in this sandwich bag. Pick that up. Put that in there.
Oh, it's wet.
Yes, of course it's wet. You watered it. Hold the bag open.
But it's wet.
Hold the bag open. Okay. And now to do that 4 more times.
Ta-da.
Yay.
Oh, there's air in it.
Well, we don't want that.
Okay, ta-da. May have overdone it. A little bit. I'm just gonna... Oh, there's like a drop. It's fine.
The paper towel absorbed all the water already. So
This one
Melrose.
is Melrose. This one. Don't leave the buddies behind.
I didn't.
Okay.
This is an Italian variety of pepper that we very like.
Is this
Very
the
much like.
Melrose? Yeah, we've grown this
Like a lot.
for like 4 years now. A lot. We've grown it for a while.
Yes.
I have no perception of time since I graduated, so I don't know. We've been growing it
these
for a long time.
Since before you graduated.
Since
Years before you graduated.
I've only been a graduate for like 6 months, so I'm not really sure what you're going for. It's gotta be more than 6 months by now. Careful.
I got it.
Mm.
You know, maybe you should do it.
Nah. J. I'm guessing that's the jalapenos.
Jalapeno is good for salsa,
salsa and
cowboy candy,
salsa.
nachos.
Nachos.
Telling people they're Melrose peppers.
That's sick.
I have not done that, but that has been done to me.
That sounds like something I would do. Let's go.
There are the jalapenos.
The hardest part is like waiting for the water to come out.
Yeah.
That was a lot.
Yes.
I didn't say I was good at it, I just said you weren't.
So these are the cow wonder? Sweet bell peppers.
Those are the bell peppers. So these are the survival seeds peppers, actually.
Oh. If you guys are wondering what we meant by survival seeds when we mentioned it during this video, Survival Seeds is a collaboration run by this guy, in collaboration with Lazy Days Ahead and Bushcraft Family, where we pick 6 seeds that we bought from Rainbow Seeds, which is an amazing seed company, and we ship to you. Unless you're in Canada, then we ship it from Miss Lori at Lori's World. Thank you, by the way, for that. You're the best. But if you are interested in growing survival seeds, then you can check out the video in the description on how you can make your entry video into Survival Seeds Collab.
All the information you need and more is available at survivalseedscollab.com, or email me at survivalseedscollab@gmail.com for any additional details.
As soon as we get your entry video, we'll be sending out your free 6 seeds that you can grow.
You don't get 6 packs of seeds.
Your free 6 packs of seeds, not 6 seeds, that you can grow right alongside with us and the rest of the community in Survival Seeds. We would be so glad to have you as part of the collaboration, and it would be super fun.
And the community is awesome. See, this is the work I do. I pick the seeds from the website, and then I pick the plants from the fruit from the garden, and that's it.
But if it is dirt, she will not do it.
In
She'll
fairness,
pick tomatoes, but not carrots.
I'll take care of the tomatoes.
Which I don't get. Because you hate hornworms.
I like the way they smell, though.
But hornworms.
Yes. Please be nice to me.
And these are the Marconi Rosso peppers.
So these are from Rainbow Seeds. All of these seeds that we've planted, except for the Melrose, have been from Rainbow Seeds, which, if you're interested, 10% off. Use Survival 10 at checkout. I've been throwing that in everywhere. But they're a really good company, and this was like the most Italian name they had on there, and so I thought it sounded good, and so we added it to the cart.
You thought it sounded cool.
This is the first year I got to pick the seeds. I was just given a list of, so these are the stuff we need. We couldn't find cantaloupe. And I spent the rest of the time just like, how many seeds are normal?
How many seeds?
I literally filmed the whole thing. I don't know if we're going to use it or not, but I did film it. So like, if you want to just see me being confused for 15 minutes of your life, I do have that.
Let us know.
I guess I shouldn't say that because it could be in this video too.
Let us know if you want an exclusive clip of blackmail.
Use Survival 10 at checkout.
Okay. So that
We did it.
we've got our peppers germinating, we've got our onions, carrots, and
Look at all
celeries.
this. Look at all this.
Celeries.
Celeries.
And celery.
Celerar.
Our plants are in the dirt and in the paper towels, and they will be growing, and we will update as soon as we've got little green plants growing out.
We
'cause
hope
they're
this
cute.
pressure canning tutorial was helpful for you.
And that's how we do that. Hey.
This looks pathetic.
So short. Look. This is my little sister.